Building out a DIY-friendly glamping kitchen with a sink and running water has been so much fun to create. I'm super excited to share this with you. I'm a DIYer at heart, and I not only enjoy experimenting, but I also love the challenge. Come see my twist on how I created this portable DIY glamping kitchen. Be sure to watch till the end because everything you see here will fit inside this storage bin. A camp kitchen is commonly called a chuck box. It's just a place to store cooking gear and provide a prep surface. Many chuck boxes on the market can run starting from $400 and up. My version comes nowhere near that, and I think mine is cuter. Let me show you how. This was my inspiration to create my glamp kitchen. If you've been with me for a while, you know I'm all about the details. I love its vintage-inspired exterior with handles and latches, and it even straps inside to secure your items. First, I need to create a countertop. Made a run to IKEA. They had so many sizes and options. I love this option, but it was a little too small, and this is where my hunt begins. I've scored 2 cutting boards from my local home store, which fit perfectly inside the top lip of my bin. I'll explain in a bit of why I'm using 2 cutting boards. Now I need a sink. Had no idea where to even begin, but as I was strolling through the store, I found Trofast. It's a shallow bin in the toy storage section. I love when I find and use something that is not meant to be used for. For an additional $169, you can add a lid. Pegboard will be perfect for this project. You can maximize vertical storage, freeing up valuable counter space. You can also customize it for spices, utensils. It's ideal for small spaces, and it's easy to rearrange. I will be mounting the pegboard inside of the lid using the hardware that came with the pegboard. Just make sure that the holes are level. This way your pegboard isn't crooked. It's plastic, so it's really easy to just drill right through. Now I'm going to secure it with the hardware that came with it. The screw part is going to be on the inside, and the bumper is going to be on the outside. This is going to cut out for the sink, and all I did was I got a cutting board from any home store, and I got this IKEA bin. I will link it, and he's going to trace and make it a drop-in sink. Here's the moment of truth to see if the sink will drop in. Oh, babe! You are so smart. You are my snooky woogies. Thank you, babe. The honey-do list pays off, don't it?
No?
Okay, you guys know. Now we're going to use this. It looks like a hammer drill. I don't know. But we are going to use this to make a hole for the running water. Yay! There's so many options for getting your fresh water. You can get a 5-gallon jug for longer stays, or you can get a smaller jug for shorter stays. I was on a roll that day for finding great finds for little or nothing. The handle that you see here, I'll show you what I'll be doing with that later. The idea for all of this is to make sure everything is compact. I've decanted my spices into these jars to store my staple spices. Very inexpensive, yet it adds that glam. Necessary? No, but y'all know I'm extra. It's also good if you are a tent camper. You can use it as a nightstand to keep items close at hand, like storing phones or wallets or sunglasses. Get creative. You can use it for anything you want. Let's set her up. This IKEA pegboard series is one powerful tool, and it's a great way to personalize your storage. Everything that you see inside is secured with these straps that came with this bin. There's a spot to connect the strap. Remember that shallow bin in the toy storage section? I'm not only using it as my sink, it doubles as storage. Everything is compact, portable, portable and easy to set up and put away. There's even my camping stove that's also inside of a case. Careful planning and measuring, I was determined to make sure everything I need would fit inside this case. Starting with the pegboard, I'm using 2 of the IKEA display shelves that are perfect for organizing anything you have. It's flexible, simple, and strong with a good raised edge and clips in easily. The reason for 2 separate boards is for easy storing. One big board just wouldn't cut it. One side is for my camping stove, and the other I will share in a future video of us cooking on it. Inside this box that I got from the Dollar Tree is for storing little things that can get lost, like my USB charger and hooks for hanging my mini utensils. Everything is at arm reach, like you would have in a real kitchen. All of my seasonings are stored inside this makeup case. I love it because the top is clear and you can see what's inside, and it zips up so nothing's falling out. Again, everything is at arm's reach. As time goes on, I may tweak some things, but for now, this is good. The other shelf is used for my oils, and I even have a little room for a little decor, and even a mini cutting board. The sink basin worked out beautifully. It's easy to take out and easy to put in. And that USB charger is for my faucet. Isn't it fancy and only $10? I really got a bang for my buck. Now for the water source. This USB water pump came with a hose. Feed the hose inside your fresh water, and at the press of a button, it will instantly pump water out. Later on, I may just even drill a hole in the bottom of the basin. Then I'll have the hose coming from the bottom and use a bucket as my gray tank. Another Dollar Tree find is this suction hook. It's great for hanging aprons, pot holders, and even your kitchen towel. I know this camp kitchen isn't for everyone, and it's certainly not the sturdiest as the ones on the market, but it works for us. Hope this has inspired you. Everything that I'm going to be sharing here, I'll be sharing in another video. The stove is absolutely amazing, you guys. You can use it pretty much anywhere. I'll actually be cooking on my little camp kitchen. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Thanks for watching.